is one of the most popular models and most affordable models. The 1511 is not the smallest, but it is one of the most popular because it just gives you a little bit more of what you're trying to get, you know, for a smaller entry-level home. But it has a still functional layout, and it's just got a little unique style to it because of the way it's kind of laid out. You have your area here, and then it splits off down this hallway to the bedrooms, divided by the kitchen, and then it's the master. So high ceilings, vaulted ceilings. And if you know, this is an energy saving home with all of its features. Energy Star certified home. It's insulation and air conditioning unit, as well as its design. Here's the kitchen. Sink in the breakfast bar. Why is it so good? Go down the hallway here. Little coat closet there. Your pantry is actually right here. So not a bad size pantry. But lots of cabinet space. Come into your hall bath. That's the way this one is set up. Shower tub inserts. I actually like the inserts better because they just feel like they stay cleaner than tile, and they have more shelving. Easier to clean. Walk-in closet. Just got the window out to the front door area. Bedroom number 3. This has its own big closet as well. All have big closets. Laundry. And garage. This is your 1511. All right, this is a 3-bedroom, large 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Back into the master. Walk-in closet as you enter. Good size room. And goes into your bathroom. Just the way this one is done. Looks pretty nice. Closet here, big closet. We'll check out the patio area. Little lanai. And entrance to the backyard. So it makes it a little bit private here. I mean, you could extend this patio very easily. You know, you could probably screen this in too. Wouldn't be an issue. So yeah, if you guys like this model, or if you like any other models, I represent buyers all over the state of Florida. My name is Robert Lunt with Realty One Group Skyline. My phone number is 941-879-4730, and I give all my buyers an extra $2,000 incentive for working with me, and I cover the whole state of Florida. And I can review your contracts, make sure everything is clear, make sure you get through the building process, the underwriting process, and dealing with any discrepancies you may have with the builders until closing and beyond, guys. So I'm here with you. I'm a full service real estate agent. I do listings. I've done flips and rental properties. I'm experienced as an investor as well, very investor friendly, guys. Have experience with land and commercial. Once again, guys, feel free to contact me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.